Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan and it's time for the April challenge of the Diecast and Mouse community. This month's challenge is to tackle any movie or TV vehicle. On the turntable we have the Corgi Toys Whiz Wheels number 384 M505 Adams Brothers Probe 16. The model was produced from 1970 until 1973 in dark metallic red or gold. The play value of the Adams probe consisted of the Whiz Wheel suspension and wheels, which made it a superb roller, and an opening roof revealing the two-seater interior and the accurate steering wheel. In addition, the Probe 16 had dual taillights. In its 3-year run, approximately 368,000 models were sold. The M505 Adams Brothers Probe 16 was a British car, designed and built by former Marcos designers Dennis and Peter Adams in 1969. Only 3 vehicles were made and sold to musicians Jimmy Webb, Jack Bruce and Robin Gibbons. Since it was rather unknown to the public and looked very futuristic, Stanley Kubrick decided that the Probe 16 was a perfect car to be featured in its adaptation of Anthony Burgess's controversial 1962 novel A Clockwork Orange, which was set in a not-so-distant future. It was Gibbons who lent his Probe 16 to the movie production. Back then it was silver with a red interior. In the movie the car was renamed Durango 95 and it featured in the scene where Alex and his droogs go joyriding in the night. However, the car was never actually driven in the movie. The scene was recorded in the studio against a moving backdrop. Well, now that we know a bit more about the car and its connection to the movie A Clockwork Orange, it's time to take on the challenge and convert this model into the movie version. Please note that you will see me doing a different car than the one on the turntable, since I mixed up the parts car with the model I wanted to do. This model is a parts car since it has a cracked windscreen and it will be donating its sliding roof to the other model. So pour yourself a fresh glass of Malaco Plus as we get out the tools and give this model a makeover. The Adams Brothers Probe 16 was a British car that was produced in a very limited edition of only 3. It was so obscure and futuristic that director Stanley Kubrick used the car for his adaptation of the novel A Clockwork Orange, which is set in a not so distant future. For the film and TV challenge of the Diecast Amos community, I decided to give this Corgi model of the Probe 16 a custom makeover to make it look like the Durango 95 from the movie. I gave the model a metallic aluminum coat and sprayed the interior ruby red, as was the case with the original car. A parts car with a broken windscreen donated a sliding roof which was missing on this model, and I recreated the license plates from the movie for the front and the rear. If you enjoy my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.